Hi guys, my name is Davide Cirillo, I'm from Milan, Italy, and my specialty is color. I'm going to show you a technique on bob length. This technique is great for a color shy client. It's perfect for blondes to create hidden pops of playful colors, and also on brunette to create a little bit more of a depth through the perimeter and also a color dimension through the internal. To get the look Everyday Silver, we are going to prep the hair by lightening our model's regrowth to a level 10 and match the previous color on the lengths and ends. We are establishing our profile and radius section by dividing the hair in 4 sections. We begin by applying the lightening formula to the roots of the whole perimeter of the section we want to start with. From the top of the crown area, we are going to start the application by taking fine horizontal sections. We are going to apply the lightening formula on both sides of each section to maintain equal product distribution. Make sure to saturate the tint brush on both sides. This will make sure that each section is fully saturated. We are going to let it develop up to 50 minutes. Once the desired result is achieved, let's rinse and tone with the pre-toner mixture. From the triangle corners of the fringe area, we are going to take a diagonal back section to the radio. The angle of the diagonal can vary depending on how much depth we want to create on the front perimeter of the haircut. We are going to start the color application on the back section by block coloring the roots, lengths and ends with the silver mixture. For the best result, we are going to apply on the roots first. Once the application is finished, for both back sections, we can start applying the product on the lengths and ends. Correct saturation of each section is essential. We are going to repeat the same application method on the top 2 sections. In this case, we work with vertical sections to bring the hair towards the back for cleaner application. We are going to repeat the same thing on the other side. We move to one of the low front sections and we start applying the pearl mixture to the whole section using block coloring as in the previous. We are going to work on the fringe area by taking a subsection with a zigzag parting and block coloring with the pearl mixture. Let's repeat the same application method on the next subsection and introduce the aquamarine mixture for an extra color dimension. Last section is block colored with the silver mixture. Thank you for joining me, and it's been fantastic to share with you my idea. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @headapair. And of course, for more education and inspiration, go to pravana.com.